Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Today, August 16th, we are covering the top 5 Indian stocks making the biggest moves across auto, telecom, energy and power, banking and financials, metals and mining, one standout name from each sector. Let us break down today's biggest sector movers, one at a time. First up in auto. Tata Motors made a dramatic move today, plunged -4.32% to 334.50 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that JLR profit falls 69% as supplier fire, Middle East conflict hit quarterly sales. Automotive news. Jaguar Land Rover order bank and production volumes are the earnings swing factor. Range Rover and Defender remain sold out in key markets, which is a strong near-term pricing signal. JLR balance sheet deleveraging is ahead of schedule. Watch for any semiconductor supply update that could unlock further production. Moving to Telecom, Bharti Airtel climbed +2.73% to 1,992.10 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by India's Bharti Airtel posts profit rise on subscriber upgrades. From a momentum perspective, the next key resistance for Bharti Airtel sits around 2,111.63 Indian rupees. A sustained break above that level could attract further institutional buying. The main risk to the upside scenario is a shift in macro conditions or central bank tone. This is our analytical view, always do your own research. Moving to energy and power. ONGC dipped -1.46% to 236.40 Indian rupees. Traders are reacting to news that S&P 500 ends higher as CoreWeave results fuel RE optimism. After today's weakness, the 229.31 Indian rupees area is the first meaningful support level to watch for ONGC. A stabilization there would be the first sign that sellers are losing conviction. This is our analytical view, not investment advice. Moving to banking and financials. SBI dipped -1.41% to 1,067.70 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that RBI proposes new rules to standardize loan rates for borrowers. Return on equity improvement, now approaching 15%, is the re-rating story that has driven the stock higher. Government infrastructure capex lending is a low-risk, high-volume growth engine. Any NPA reversal or write-back announcement would be a positive. Moving to metals and mining. Tata Steel dipped -0.73% to 183.50 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by strong RE earnings lift S&P 500, NASDAQ as inflation data calms rate hike jitters. Kitco. Tata Steel is in a consolidation phase, a pattern that can precede a significant directional break. Watch the 187.17 Indian rupees resistance and 179.83 Indian rupees support as the boundaries of the current range. Now let us zoom out to the broader macro picture for Indian markets. The rupee is weakening against the dollar, trading at 95.43, which matters for import and export-heavy sectors alike. Foreign institutional investor flows remain the key swing factor for Indian equities in the sessions ahead. Here is your market watch list heading into the next session. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We cover every major global market, every single day. If this kind of daily, actionable analysis is useful to you, please support us with a like and subscribe. It takes 2 seconds and it means a great deal to this channel. Share this with anyone who invests or trades, they will thank you for it. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe and we will see you in the next one. That is today's top 5 Indian stocks from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily sector-wise coverage of Indian and global markets.